Keith, show us how a professional boxer jumps rope.
All right. First, you find a rope that's going to fit you correct. You want your rope, when you stand on it, to be right under your armpits. So you stand in the middle, it's going to come right up to your armpits. So that's about the length of rope you want. And when you jump the rope, you don't want to jump high, you want to stay smooth. You get a lot of people that do the real high jump, you're going to wear yourself out. You just want to come up, just miss the rope by a little bit and get a rhythm. You don't want to be together, you don't want your feet together. A little bit of movement, which is going to help you in the ring with your back and forth. Plus it's going to help your quick twitch muscles, okay? So, you want to start off slow, just concentrate. And jumping rope is not just physical, it's also mental. This is when you can think about what you need to do. Think about what you've done in the gym, what you need to do in the gym, what you're going to do in the fight. This is a real good mental exercise. Of course, the better you get, the faster you go, So you want to start slow, little jumps, not too high, and you speed it up. This is one time you're going to hear me talk while I jump rope. When you jump a rope, you don't want to talk, you just want to focus. As you get a little better, you speed it up. Right, that happens too sometimes. The better you get, the more you can do with the rope. But it all takes practice.